Okay, back at LAX, I got some stories to tell you guys. The queue's moving pretty good. Let me first show you where the queue was at. The time is 7:16. So check it out. When I got here at 6:48, 58, 108, 118, if I'm correct, roughly half an hour ago, that's what the queue looked like. Now, if you look at it in real time, look at that. It's moved, and I love it. I love it. Okay, here's the story. I was talking to a guy. He's made $200 in the day. I'm at 171. I don't know how many rides he's done because I didn't get a chance to look at that. He said from 4 in the morning to 10 in the morning, he can make 200 bucks. I was like, no way. Then he showed me $60, $80. And I'm like, how did you do this? He goes, he started in Woodland Hills. Let me show you where Woodland Hills is. It's somewhere over here. Do you see? Oh, there it is, Woodland Hills. He says at 4 in the morning, he starts right here because he lives right here. And he says he normally can easily get a ride to LAX for 80 bucks, 60 bucks. Then the second thing he told me is what I learned today that I already told you guys. He says once he gets to LAX, it's too early in the morning, so he goes to Westwood. Where's Westwood? Westwood is right here somewhere. Where's Westwood? There you go. Then he says after he drops the first passenger, he goes to Westwood. He says between Woodland Hills and Westwood, 2 rides. The third ride, he goes to LAX. So the third ride is over here. And he sees 60 bucks, 80 bucks, 60 bucks. He's like, he makes his money hella fast because there's nobody awake. And I was like, you know what? I used to do that. After New Year's, I've been getting up a little bit late. I was like, you're right. My problem is this. When I start driving, where I'm coming from is up here, right? So I stop right here, Canyon Country, to pick up somebody. And where is Woodland Hills? From where I'm at, Woodland Hills is down here. See, I'm coming from here. Woodland Hills is over here. And then Burbank Airport is over here. So I've always been going this way. So now I think I'm going to go this way. I'm going to try it one of these days. I'm going to try going this way and coming down. 4 in the morning is a trick, what he told me. Now you guys know. And the queue's moving. And I'll do another update in a little bit. Let's do a recap. My goal today was to be at 1100, so I'm about $60 away. That's about 2, maybe 3 rides. I think on a Friday night I can do. Active 26 hours, online 63, and in 36 trips. Tips are decent. Look, 139. So Uber has decided to give us tips this week. I appreciate it, Mr. Uber. And for today, we are at 171. Minimum is always 150, right? But now for today I was trying to get to 230, 250. So yeah, I'm about 50, 80 bucks away. I've been active 4 hours, which is really good. The rest of the time I've been working on my website or YouTube channel, and I've only done 5 trips. So 171, 5 trips. The rest of the time I've been working. But 12 hours online, that's a lot. I think by the time I'll be done, I'll be again 14, 15 hours online, maybe active for 5, 6. This is crazy. This is so much time spent on my YouTube channel. But I guess it is what it is. And let's go start from the beginning so I can give you an update. Is it right here? Okay. First passenger at 7:15 in the morning. I picked up a doctor from Silmar to Los Angeles, to Westwood, and he's the one who told me about Westwood. He said a lot of business people and a lot of residents, they do a 24-hour shift, so they get to work at 6, 7 in the morning, and the next day they leave at 6, 7 in the morning. And basically he said the UCLA pays for it, so this was business comfort. And looks like he gave me a $5 tip. Hey man, if UCLA is paying, you should have gave me more tip, bro. After that, at 8 o'clock, while I was dropping him, I got this 8 o'clock ride for 20 bucks. And this was a bunch of Japanese kids going to the airport. So once I dropped them, I ended up LAX. You can tell, right? Japanese, the language is down here. After that, I got this one for $34 from LAX. I kind of forgot. Oh, I remember who it was. It was a mom and a daughter from Canada. And I ended up dropping them off to Universal Studios at 9:52. So didn't wait too long at the airport. Gave me a tip. So I talked to this guy. He gave me a tip. These guys didn't speak any English. No tip. They spoke and they gave me a tip. We had a conversation. This one, we spoke. Two African American ladies. One was a math teacher. The other one was a sex therapist. I picked them up at LAX for $40. They had a stop at Dr. Green Thumbs for, and that little stop for 12 minutes gave me $6. I'll take it, but no tip. I dropped them off in San Pedro. Then it got a little slow. I drove from San Pedro to Long Beach Airport, and I picked up somebody for $13 because I was desperate. I was like, man, F this. It's it's afternoon. I'm not getting nothing but $5, $10, right? So it was a $13 ride. They gave me a $9 tip because we talked. So every time I talk, I normally get a tip. If people don't talk, well, then this one, ride didn't count. I was leaving San Pedro. I left Long Beach. I dropped them off. Then from there, I went to San Pedro and I was testing. I was going to Trump National Golf Course. Nothing but $5, $6. I swear, 20 or 35, $6, $8 rides I said no to. Then finally, I took a $22 ride from Lawndale. I took him 20 minutes to downtown LA, and the dude forgot his wallet, and he's like, "Can you take me back?" I was like, "Nah." I said, "I've taken people back, and you add a stop, I go back, I drop you. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I know I'm gonna get screwed." So I was like, "No." I said, "I'll pull over. You can cancel the ride, order another one, and if it gives it to me, I'll take you." And I didn't get it. Someone else got it. Isn't that stupid? Like, I'm sitting there and I'm waiting. Let's see where we're at the queue. Okay, that's the update for you guys. Oh, my turn's coming up. I'm sitting there and I'm waiting, right? I'm literally sitting there waiting. They're in the car with me. They want to get matched up with me, but no. Uber gave their ride back to Lawndale, then back to downtown LA to somebody else and not me. And they were right here. That should be against the law. But that's the broken algorithm I keep telling you guys. It is what it is. As far as my YouTube channel, the second channel, I think it's doing all right. I lost 2 subscribers today. I think 2 trolls left. But we were at 328, then it went down to 326. Now it's 338 followers. My goal is simple. By the end of the month, I want to be at 500 followers. The content that I've posted today, only 7 videos. I'm tired. But in those 7 videos, I think the first one did all right. It's got like 100 views and some comments on it. Yeah, 108 views. Everything else is kind of slow, whatever. But it's fun. Like I think just the fact to be able to do a podcast like this, it's kind of fun. I think queue's moving fast today because people are coming back from the holidays. Otherwise, there's sometimes we sit here for 2 hours, man. It's brutal. It is brutal. Something going on right here. I wonder if you guys would leave when you see it do this. I don't understand what that is, but is there something going on? It's like a fake surge they're hiding right there. That surge should be right here where we're sitting. I'm watching one of my favorite shows right here. Next Level Soul Podcast. One of my favorite. And Chicago rideshare, he's cool. Uber Jeep AZ is kind of cool. The Alchemist is kind of cool. I have all of these lined up. I don't feel like working on my channel right now, so I'm just kind of taking it easy. But look at Q on the right bottom. It's moving fast. Looking good. I might get paid Uber XL today. Thank you, Uber. That's the first one it offered. West Hollywood, I'm not going to go. No way. That's a nasty drive right now, Friday night. So in this situation, since the queue moved so fast, I'm hoping and praying Uber X shows up. That's another one to Hollywood. That's 2. No. Two no's. Oh my God, Comfort move fast. Yeah, I know. I'll lose it because I'll wait for Uber XL. Come on, Uber. Come on. Give me something going home, dude. I'm ready to go home. Comfort, another one. USC. 25 minutes for $26. That's freeway. Now it's gonna put me at the end. You little punk. Oh, I got one more chance. I think it's worth waiting for Uber XL. 2 to Westwood, 1 to USC. Oh my goodness, another one to Westwood. That's all it's giving. I'll take it, man. At least it's going home. So I waited for 4. I could have waited for Uber XL. But, Holly, what's your rating? Preferences? Quiet. Oh, lovely. No tip if it means quiet. Come on, I'm gonna talk to you, girl. 486. Alright, here we go, fellas.